Hi there. My name is Anthony O'Shea, and I sell exhibit space and sponsorships for the NAMA show. We are very excited to welcome you to our huge reunion in Chicago. It's coming April, where you can again meet folks from the convenience services side of the industry, as well as the greatly expanding unattended retail community. Now, with your booth already in place, this is the time to enhance your presence at the show with some high impact, budget-friendly sponsorships to help drive traffic to your booth and as such, make it a very successful show for you. So allow me to quickly highlight some of these. Now, for brand awareness, we offer banner ads in highly visible areas of the show website. And we can also get your logo on emails that we send out to attendees. On the next slide, you'll see that if you're looking for physical branding opportunities, you can place your flyer or product in the attendee bag. You can also have your product dropped to the attendee hotel room, so it's waiting for them when they get back from the show floor. Now, as regards ads, we have a limited supply of half and full page ads available in the attendee program guide, as well as business card size ads on the printed show floor map that we give out to all attendees. Now, on the next slide, if you are looking to host private meetings, we can also offer you both a standard and a large size meeting room on the exhibit floor, just off the exhibit floor on each exhibiting day. And then finally, seeing what's new in the industry is always the number one ask of attendees. To help with this, you can get your product in the new product zone, where you will also be eligible for the Best in Show award. So this is just a sample of what we can offer. We would be happy to customize a package for you to help reach your goals both at the show and beyond. Just note, availability is limited and fulfillment deadlines are coming up shortly. So with that in mind, please get in touch with my colleague Katie Burke or me, either by phone or email. And again, thank you for your time and have a very successful show.